We need to release the properly version, so it will be help us. Okay, so let me close it. Right now we done that all stuff. Let's download first JDK 8, because JDK 8 is support a many Hadoop system. So I will be download first JDK 8. Sir, where we can get to the download that JDK 8? We can go to the over here in the search engine in the Google. Okay, we are going Google. After that, choose any account, which one you want. First, we need to be search over here. That is called your download JDK 8 for Windows purpose. Okay, click over here. Now, after this one, official website will be coming. Check it over here. The Oracle is the main company who are developing to their JDK. Are you getting or not? So check, go inside of that. I want to go to the download Java, means Java software environmental 8. No, it is called a software. I forgot the SE full form, but it is like that. So we need to be install that. I am clicking see Java SE 88 and the letter updation. Let me check anything in down. See over here also we have easily. So I want to install for Windows 64-bit. Okay, over here. See JDK 8 2002 means 2002 they did that. Windows exe file. Let me click over here. Now they are saying, see over here, I received and they accept the Oracle binary code license and blah 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 stuff. Click over here, download. After later they will be asking one form. Okay, so you can fill also that form, because without filling the that all form you cannot able to download that. Okay, let me show you also. See, they will be asking a first login credential. If you don't have the account, create the account and download that. Okay, so after your filling, it will be start to the download. Let me show you. This is the form is coming. So we need to be a fill this form properly. Okay, so I think so my internet is little bit slow, so I will be do one thing. I'm going back again and I will be click again back to the over here. Okay, accept the terms and conditions. Let me click over here and download. Okay, your connection was the interrupt. Means what happened? My connection is little bit, I think so today down. So that's why it's going to be exit. But what happened, you know guys, there is a one proper form is coming that we need to fill the form. We need to create the account if you don't have, and then after later you can able to install that. There is no any you need to be a download that. Okay, so right now what I can do, I will be take the file from my device because I have the fraud device. A little bit I want to be pause the video. Okay, so what happened? Simply guys, when you are done to the installation, it will become in your download folder. You can see over here the JDK 8 I have. Okay, so first when we complete that, what we need to do? Check it over here. Right now I can able to close that with your Chrome browser also. I don't want. Okay, when I want I can again open. Okay, so over here uninstall the things, download JDK 8. Okay, specifically JDK 8 only we need to be a install. Then after, create one folder in the C drive. Okay, the name is what? Java. Okay, so you need to do that things. I'm going to be over here in the this PC. Then again in the C drive, you need to create the folder that is name is what? Java. So right click over here, new folder. You need to make the new folder that is name is a Java. See, J is capital and apart from everything is the small. So we done, we made it the Java folder. Right now, when we are installing to the JDK, we need to use to the this particular folder path. Okay, so we are going right now back again your download folder where we have to the JDK. Go to start to the install. You can see we have to the step also. We created folder. Right now for installation JDK 8, choose to the folder which one you made it, that is called to the Java. Okay, so let's go. We are going in your folder. I am right now installing to the JDK. Before we are installing JDK, don't forget to you need to make a folder inside of the C drive that is called Java. Okay, so look, let's go back over here. We are going in download section. Where is the download? Over here. And then after we are starting to installation JDK. Just say yes. Okay, Then after they are asking everything, we need to say next. Okay, then after, this is the by default path. Development tool path should be do not change. Okay, it should be in the C drive, program file, Java and JDK 1.8. You do not need to change this path. Okay, that actually what happened, I will be tell what we need to do after later with this. Okay, so keep it as it is, don't change that, just say to the next. And right now there is the, they are saying that choose to the path. Okay, so wait little bit. Okay, right now see, destination folder for your Java, this we need to be a change. So click change to installation Java to a different folder. Yes, I want to be changed that. First one we do not need to change, second one we need to be changed. Click over here change. Okay, I want to go in a C drive where I made it to the Java. Click a Java and then after say to the OK. Now just go to the next. See, right now the installation path is what? C drive and the Java. Okay, now say next. Okay, right now wait little bit to the installation complete. It's a older JDK, it's the older version, and we need to want for your Hadoop purpose that particular version. Okay, so wait little bit. Now see, a Java SE development kit 8 updated properly and successfully installed. Right now we can close. Okay, now make sure also that right now I can delete this file, I don't want. Okay, now make sure also inside of your this PC, is inside of your C drive, I directly jump, you can go to the this PC, then C drive, then after over here we have to the Java, and I install properly to the files. Okay, after this one, what we need to do, make sure over here we need to cut JDK folder, which one we have inside of your program file and then Java, and paste inside of your normal Java. What is this step? Simple. We are going back again over here, this is your C drive. After, the first time we install that first path, right? Second path is which one you created. First path is where you need to go to the inside of the program files and then see the by default Java. So we need to go inside and we need to take JDK from over here. You can cut, okay, permanently you can cut, and then after go back and put inside of your Java. Okay, see, I put it over here. Yes, I want to be continue because it's a C drive. C drive is always, the confidential. It's a log because over here we have to do your Windows. Okay, so I want to be continue. Now see, I put it JDK over here. So obviously, if you put it over here JDK, then you can delete in your program file your Java folder because we don't have inside anything, right? So let's go over here again back. So you already pasted Java, means your in your Java folder. Okay. Now delete that, the which one is the computer created program files. This is the normal Java and we don't have anything because why? We right now cut from folder over here to our folder, right? So let me cut that. We don't want, delete. Okay, continue. So your computer will be not confused. Right now your computer will be always taking to the you made it folder. Okay, over here. So you have to the bin also inside of that properly, and you have to the JDKs also properly. Are you done? Perfect. Now, if you make mistake, don't worry. You can pause the video and you can read to the step. Okay. Now, sixth step is done. Now, seventh step. Go to the environmental variable and set the path. Right now, what happened? We installed to the JDK, but we did not interrelated with your hardware system. So how we can interrelated using by, we need to go to the environmental variable. Okay, so how we can go, we need to go to the search engine and over here we need to be a type environmental variable. Edit and system means we are right now, calling to your system. We are right now attaching your software to the system. Okay, then if you want to be attached system to your software, then we need to be create one bridge. And how we can create how we can able to create that bridge using by the path. Okay, so we are going edit and system environmental variable. Then after we need to go over here environmental variable, and now whenever we are clicking environmental variable, we have the two types of environmental variable. One is the user one, means which one I am, and another one is the system. Okay, make sure that, because whenever you are buying to the laptop, first what happened, we have to the system, which one your kernel, and we have to the user. So user and kernel both need to be a match also. Okay, so let's go. We are doing some setup, like we need to be create first